Hello, this is Kevin Ann at Eagle Strong Voice. It's Monday, September 25th. I'm speaking to you from Vancouver. The latest in the announcement from the West Coast Common Law Court of Justice. Breaking news today. Church and state leaders are summoned to appear in court to answer charges of murder and criminal conspiracy. Public summonses were issued today to 42 persons who have been charged with complicity in the deaths of indigenous activists. The individuals summoned include King Charles, Mountbatten-Windsor, Pope Francis, Jorge Bergoglio, and former Canadian Prime Minister Jean Chretien. The summonses were issued by the West Coast Common Law Court of Justice, a Citizens Tribunal with standing under international law. Those summoned have been ordered to appear before the court in Vancouver on Monday, October 16, 2023. According to the Citizen Prosecutor's Office of the court, quote, "The accused are part of an ongoing criminal conspiracy that has killed 11 people and destroyed the lives of many others in order to commit and conceal genocide and obstruct justice. If the accused fail to appear in court, a pro confesso verdict of uncontested guilt may be issued against them, along with an arrest warrant." Now, a copy of the summons and this press announcement, as well as a list of all of the accused, is posted with this notice online at murderbydecree.com under ITCCS updates. You can also obtain a copy from the court at Republic National Council at protonmail.com. The West Coast Common Law Court of Justice was convened on May the 1st, 2023 in Vancouver. Its mandate is to investigate and prosecute those responsible for the deaths of Indian residential school activists Harriet Nahani, William Coombs, and Johnny Bingo Dawson, and the targeting and destruction of their colleague Kevin Ann at Eagle Strong Voice. In terms of the people who are being summoned, they include not only the people named, but leaders of the federal government, including Jean Chretien, who in August 1998 launched an official cover-up and destruction of evidence of deaths of children at residential schools. On August 12, 1998, Jean Chretien ordered the Privy Council to begin a process of the disinterring and destruction of mass graves of Indian residential school children. He also commissioned the E-Division of the RCMP in Vancouver to begin a black ops and shutdown campaign against our movement after our tribunal in Vancouver in 1998, an attack on me, my family, and my colleagues, and the actual murder of some of the Native people who we have named today. Some of the defendants also include former officials, top officials of the United Church, Marion Best, former moderator, and Virginia Coleman, former General Secretary, who in 1996 began the campaign to shut down our movement, to expel me from the church and destroy my livelihood, and also target Native people who are working with me. These are some of the people who are named in this criminal indictment. There'll be more news soon. Follow our work, murderbydecree.com, under ITCCS updates. And to remind people who are following this, if the accused do not respond to this, the full charges will be described in public on Monday, October 16th, when the court convenes. And if they do not appear, arrest warrants that have universal jurisdiction will be issued against them. This is Kevin Ann at Eagle Strong Voice, working with the Prosecutor's Office of the court. Stand by for more.